Hey, James. You look really tired today. Are you okay?
Oh, hi, Chloe. To be honest, I am exhausted. I had a very difficult morning.
Really? What happened? Did you wake up late?
Yes, I did. My alarm rang at 7 o'clock, but I pushed the snooze button. I think I pushed it 5 times.
5 times? That is terrible, James. You know that snoozing actually makes you feel more tired, right?
I know, but my bed was so warm and comfortable. What time do you usually wake up?
I am an early bird. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
6 o'clock? That is way too early for me. Do you use an alarm?
No, I don't need one anymore. My body just wakes up naturally. As soon as I wake up, I open the curtains to let the sunlight in.
I keep my curtains closed. I prefer the room to be dark. So what is the first thing you do after you get out of bed?
Well, the first thing I do is drink a large glass of water. Hydration is very important in the morning.
Ugh, water is boring. The first thing I do is go to the kitchen and make coffee. I cannot function without my coffee.
I drink coffee too, but only after breakfast. Do you eat breakfast at home?
Usually I do not have time. Today I just grabbed the banana and ran out the door. I was in a big rush.
That is not healthy, James. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I always make time for oatmeal with fruit and nuts.
That sounds delicious, but it takes too much time to cook. How long does your morning routine take?
It takes about an hour and a half. After breakfast, I usually do some light stretching or yoga for 20 minutes.
Yoga? In the morning? I barely have enough energy to put on my socks.
It actually gives you more energy. It wakes up your muscles. After yoga, I take a shower and get dressed.
I shower at night before I go to sleep. It saves me time in the morning. But I always spend too much time choosing my clothes.
You should pick your clothes the night before. I lay out my outfit on a chair before I go to bed. That way, I don't have to think about it in the morning.
That is a very smart idea. I usually just stare at my closet for 10 minutes, like a zombie.
See? Being organized helps you sleep better, too. After I get dressed, I brush my teeth and do my hair.
My hair is messy today because I didn't have time to comb it. Do you listen to anything while you get ready?
Yes, I love listening to podcasts or upbeat music. It puts me in a good mood.
I usually watch the news on TV while I drink my coffee, but sometimes the news makes me sad or stressed.
Maybe you should switch to music. Starting the day with bad news can ruin your whole morning. So, how do you get to work?
I drive my car, but the traffic is always terrible. It makes me frustrated before I even arrive at the office.
I take the bus. It takes a bit longer, but I can read a book during the ride. It is very relaxing.
I wish I could read on the bus, but I get motion sickness. What about weekends? Is your routine different?
Yes, on weekends, I sleep in until 8 o'clock. It feels like a luxury. Then I make pancakes for breakfast.
Pancakes. Now you are making me hungry. On weekends, I try to sleep until noon if I can.
Noon? James, you are sleeping half the day away. You miss the best part of the day.
I know. But I stay up very late on Friday and Saturday nights playing video games.
Well, that explains why you are so tired on Mondays. You need a better sleep schedule.
You sound just like my mother. But you are right. I need to change my habits.
Start small. Tonight, try to go to bed 30 minutes earlier than usual and put your alarm clock across the room.
Across the room? Why?
so you have to stand up to turn it off. You cannot hit snooze if you are standing up.
That is actually genius. Although, I might just walk back to bed afterwards.
No, because once you are up, you should go straight to the bathroom and wash your face with cold water.
Cold water? That sounds shocking.
It is, but it wakes you up instantly. Trust me, James, if you try these things, you will feel much better tomorrow.
Okay, Chloe, I will try your method tomorrow morning. But if I'm still tired, I'm blaming you.
Deal. But now we should probably get back to work before our boss sees us talking.
You are right. I need to get another cup of coffee first, though. See you later, Chloe.
Good luck with the coffee, James. Talk to you later.